So now I'm going to introduce Vukosi, who's going to take you through step 1 and 2. Vukosi, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you want to just do a little intro of yourself, like your credentials in YCAP?
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Vukosi Matsaye. I'm YCAP alumni and YCAP support team member. I'm the marketing and fundraising manager. My YCAP journey started in 2022. I was a learner at Chopiana Secondary School. I took part in 2022 and 2023 where I got to go to the national events and showcase our project. And since then, I've been part of YCAP as their support team member and mentor. I'll be taking you guys through step 1 and 2, which is forming and managing a team and roles and responsibilities. Step 1 is form and manage a team. Individual talents combined can achieve a goal with success. Plays to the strength of each team member and clearly outlines the following. In this step, you have to show or clearly indicate how was your team formed, how did you recruit your team. For example, if maybe auditions were held, you have to state in the step that our teacher Vukosi Matsayi hosted auditions on challenges we think are affecting the school, and we had to propose solutions to our challenges that we have identified. And then out of the 25 participants, 4 or 5 people were chosen to be part of the YCAP's team main group. And then after recruiting your team and choosing a team, and then we chose a leader through democratic vote, you have to clearly indicate how your team was recruited. How did you guys become one group? Because at first maybe you were like bunch of people who didn't even know each other, but then in this step you have to explain how your team was recruited. And then after recruiting your team, you have to make that group of a team to be an actual team. You were, after the auditions, you were just a group, but then now you move from a group to a team. In a team there are different people with different talents, likes and abilities. So the likes and abilities plays to in making your team successful. For example, we have Vukosi, who has strength of public speaking and weaknesses of maybe he's bad at maths. And then you can clearly explain that Vukosi was chosen on based on this and that. And then after that, you have to include other learners, teachers, SGB, parents, and even local businesses and media to make sure that your actions become real and successful. After the team is formed, you then agree on team values. Values are what guide us how to work together. They help us stay united. We have a few examples of values include authenticity, truthfulness, joyfulness, responsibility, love, and empathy. After choosing your team values, you then move on to choose your team purpose and ground rules. Every team needs a mission and a ground rule. You can use the Walt Disney guiding questions to create a purpose. The questions include who are we? What are we doing? What values are we creating for our school and the community? What is our goal? Where are we going? And what are the team ground rules? The Walt Disney's guiding to create a mission is gonna a purpose is gonna be a guidance for you to in creating your mission by answering the following question: who are we? We are, for example, Shobiana Secondary School YCAP team. What are we doing? We want to fight against bullying. In that sense, you get to create your team's purpose and implement ground rules, and then you clearly indicate them in this step 1. After choosing your team's purpose, ground rules, values, how how did we form a team and recruit our team. We then moved to conflict management. While you are working together as a team, especially when you've never worked together before, you may have conflicts. This is normal, and it is how the team deals with the conflict that makes it a successful team. Discuss how you dealt with conflict in the team. After choosing everything, after choosing the team's purpose, ground rules, mission, and vision, how did you recruit your team? You then tell us how did you manage conflict, because we are, as in a team, we are made of different personalities and likes and dislikes, and conflicts are bound to be there. So you discuss how you resolved conflicts when they arise within your team. And then if I can ask any of my colleagues if they've got anything to add under step 1 before we can move to step 2.
Thank you so much, Vukosi. That was very thorough, and I'm sure everyone now understands step 1. The one thing that I did not mention before you started was the issue of team members and how many teams. So there should be 4 team members in the leading team, the one that is the one that goes to district round. But you can have as many teams as you want in your school. So you could have 20 teams, you can have 40 teams, you can have 2 teams, whatever you want. And then as time goes on, you do an elimination round in your school, and you choose the one that is most promising, the one is most impactful, and that's the team that you'll then all support to go to district round. So you can't send all 20 of your projects to us to mark. It'll be too hectic. So we want you guys to choose which one you think is the most promising, and that is the one that will represent your school. So I just wanted to add that part. Is there anyone else that has anything to add before we move to step 2? No? Okay, good. So there's step 2.